Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday, fourth trading day of the week, and market is roughly break even, down a little bit, then went up a little bit, and now it's slightly down. Main purpose of this video update is to let you know that I have a few new trades that triggered today, and I went in, but I also have one closing winning trade, right? Okay, a small win. Why is it not a big win? Let's jump in and I'll show you more. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. We can see that I have a new closing trade, right? Which is on JPM, about $13, right? Able to roughly only cover one trade loss, right? Maybe not enough. Why is that so? Is because over here, we can see that for JPM, right? Okay, by the time I went in, it was way up here, right? Because I missed on the first day, right? Okay, so yes, went up a lot when it triggered, so I reduced my risk, right? Okay, and it hit my take profit over here today, which is good news, right? Okay, I could have got remaining after I reduced risk to go in here, right? I could have used the balance of my risk to get in here, but I forgot about it, right? Okay, and then it went up, right? It happens, right? One thing for sure, trading the profit signal portfolio doesn't require a lot of time, right? So sometimes I miss out and I don't look at it. The trading is still quite good, right? Okay, in terms of the results, right? Okay, so it's gradually getting me the profits, right? Okay, so over here we can see the indices is now slightly up a little bit, right? Okay, whether it's S&P 0.1%, Nasdaq is 0.03%, roughly break even, right? Okay, and even for Dow Jones also roughly break even, right? Best performing as of now is S&P, right? For today only, right? Okay, and I have new trades on Amazon, right? It triggered and came back down, right? So I actually got in at a slightly better price, right? And BAC almost hit my take profit, but now came back down. Meta is still hovering here and there, but to share with you, I have a new trade also on Amazon. Amazon, I just told you, right? Microsoft, I have a new trade on Microsoft. Also trigger and came back down a little bit, right? And NVIDIA as well, right? NVIDIA also trigger and came back down a little bit. Why? Because the indices open strong, right? But came back down, right? Okay, so now slightly lesser in positive. Previously, it was more positive. Like S&P is 0.2%. Now it's like less than 0.1%, right? Positive. So yeah, some of the stocks that I traded today, that triggered today, actually after trigger it came back down a little bit, giving me a better price, which is a good thing, right? Okay, but seems like he's going to continue moving a little bit down also, right? Okay, and I do have a trade on Starbucks, which is on the short side, and I do have a trade on Starbucks on the long side as well, right? So basically, I have a kind of hedging position on Starbucks, one on the long side, one on the short side, following the stop loss and the take profit as you can see on your screen, right? Okay, so yeah, similar case like the previous case, right? Like Intel, I had a long and a short previously as well, right? Okay, keeping my fingers crossed on these two, but very I would say overall my portfolio actually came down a little bit, right? Okay, so now yesterday's update was 4,009, right? Okay, now came down roughly $30, right? Okay, about $30, right? About slightly less than that. But yeah, as you can see over here, this is the portfolio running profits is roughly $74. Previously it was 101 kind of thing, right? Okay, so now down a little bit. But of course, like I say, I have a short side on Starbucks, right? Okay, selling, and I have a buy on Starbucks also, right? Okay, so basically I have a hedging kind of position again on Starbucks, one on the sell side, one on the buy side, and Microsoft, like what you see here, slightly in profit, right? Because I got in just now, right? Yeah, so overall still, I would say still quite okay, right? The portfolio over here. Seems like Amazon is coming back down quite strongly as of now, right? But still a little bit movement also lah, not a very strong kind of long range kind of movement like previous days, right? Okay, and looking, I still have a few that I'm want to monitor, and seems like they might trigger even tomorrow. But tomorrow I'll be going on a short weekend, going on a long weekend short trip to Bangkok, right? Okay, so if it trigger, I might not even trade it. I'll wait for like Tuesday after the Monday US stock market holiday is US stock market holiday is next Monday, right? Okay, so if tomorrow Friday it triggers, then I might just wait until Tuesday to take a look and formulate the trading plan to go in, right? Okay, like always. So yeah, basically that's to update you how I'm going to if whoever you are going to on a holiday, this might be one of the options you could do. All right, okay, even though it doesn't take a lot of time, but I don't want to really just monitor here because I have a lot of trades here already, right? Okay, so who knows, right? Maybe they will only trigger on Tuesday. Now that's number one, and even if they trigger on Friday, the entry price, if I can get in around an entry price on Tuesday, is still good enough, right? Okay, so I'll update you as and when it happens, right? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. May the profits be with you. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.